Thank you to our American customer for purchasing our EA640F2 indoor LED screen, totaling 48 pieces. We are delighted to provide you with high-quality display solutions. EA640F2 LED display screen has won the favor of customers for its exquisite appearance and excellent performance. Its design not only emphasizes aesthetics, but also emphasizes functional practicality. EA640F2 adopts a front-mounted design, where the LED module, power supply, and receiving card can be installed and maintained from the front. This design greatly simplifies the installation process, saves time and labor costs, and is an ideal solution for indoor fixed installation. Another advantage of the front-mounted design is its ease of maintenance. Users can easily replace and repair the entire screen without disassembling it, ensuring stable operation and long-term reliability of the display screen in various usage environments.